It's my absolute pleasure to tell you that you, Maurice, have won a brand new 2022 on its way to the UK very, very soon as we speak. It is an all-electric Ford Mustang Mach-E.
Wow.
All right.
Brilliant.
Do you know what? I hate you. I've just been and bought a new car. Honestly.
Well,
no, I don't hate you really.
Thank you. I was going to say that's the most interesting response I've ever had.
I've seen this car, this Mustang, and I must admit, you know, they're very nice. Amazing. That's good, isn't it? Oh dear. You just realised what I said, didn't you?
It's our tagline.
No, thank you so much.